Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Wanted to make this little video announcement that Local Eats is going to be returning. Wow, brain fart. So I already filmed one, which I'm going to do up next week, but I've been thinking about maybe doing them every 2 weeks versus every week like I had been. Simply because it will give me a little bit more time to research and find the place. And also, it just won't be a weekly, video. So I think I might try that, but we'll see, because I say one thing and then I end up doing them every week like a crazy man. So we'll see how it goes. And things might come up, work or whatever. Give me a little bit of breathing room. Like the one I already shot. I actually shot last Friday. I actually went out and had some pizza for dinner. So hopefully, I haven't looked at the footage yet, so I'm hoping it's, I need some wood to knock on wood, but I'm hoping it's dark enough so that, or light enough so you can at least see. But I also want to try, and I did a bunch of burger places, but what I want to do is I want to get back, I want to try to add a little bit more variety, sandwiches, pizza, maybe tacos. Maybe I want to check out a few more food trucks if I can, and just try to add a little bit more variety to what I'm grubbing on. And there was a comment made about if it's going to mess up my diet. And honestly, I'm not really following a strict diet. I mean, trying to add more greens to my meals and trying to eat less junk. Like, for example, something I used to do, I don't do anymore, but I would go buy a package of the peanut butter Oreos, which were my favorite. And I would literally go get that many. And I would just, that's what, 6 to 8 cookies. I would just grab them. I don't remember exactly how many, but I would get that many. And I would just stack them up like poker chips. And I'd be sitting there watching either a movie or a YouTube video. And I'd just be like, I'd grab it, break it in half, eat all the peanut butter, then eat each of the half cookies, and then repeat. And when that was gone, I would go get another one. And yeah, so trying to really, I mean, I do sneak a treat here and there. You can't completely go cold turkey. So instead of a side of like fries or something like that, I've been doing the salads. But I'm not really going to be that concerned about my diet. A little smaller portions, a little bit, and then try to have more salads incorporated in my meals. So getting some greens plus the daily exercise, except for yesterday. Today's actually Sunday, to be honest. Yesterday I worked 12 hours again, so that was kind of my cheat day. I gotta rest. You gotta rest your body too. I mean, I still walked around the parking lot because it's my job, but I didn't lift any weights. But I went back today. It was legs, back, and stomach. So I went and hit the gym, did some leg presses, did some curls, leg extensions, whatnot. Plus I did mile on the treadmill. And yeah, of course I still drink these Monsters, but I've actually been drinking less diet soda too. So. And I already plowed through like 2 of these yesterday. So I've been, trying more water, less diet soda. But I still have my Vice. I just love these. Delicious. So, yeah. We'll see how that goes. So this week will be this video. And then next week will be the first video coming back, and then I want to try to do maybe every other week for the Local Eats. I'd actually really like to do like donut shops and stuff like that, but I still have a lot of weight to lose, so, and a lot of exercising still to do. I'm not going to do that. Probably not going to do that anyway, because it doesn't make sense to lose weight and then start eating like a pig again and gain it all back and start ballooning up. So maybe if you're in better shape, you can do that. I'm not going to do that. Although it's tempting, because I was actually leaving here. There's a little donut shop, and I've stopped in there before, and they're pretty good. So, but I'm going to drive right by it today. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe something will maybe something will spark my interest, and maybe I'll do something on Tuesdays instead of the local eats. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. So anyway, we'll just see. Let me know what you think. Comments, always appreciated. I do thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a great rest of your week. Oh, Cast Iron Wednesday is tomorrow, so look forward to that. I've actually already got the footage shot. I just need to go home and edit, which I'll probably go home and do today. So, all right, peace out. Have a good one, and don't forget, 22 day no more. All right.